Hello my healthies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a nice delicious juice. As you guys can see, we have orange, we have lime, and some carrots. These will be our ingredients for today. This year I decided to do some juicing, some natural juicing, and definitely a juicer will be needed. I don't have it as yet. Today I will just be using my blender and then use the sip to strain it out, the strainer to strain it out. But definitely I have the juicer in mind, and I'm actually looking for one. So if you guys have any recommendation, let me know in the comment section below. I'm here in Europe, so you know the best brand here in Europe. As you guys can see, little Hans is also in between. My little niece is here with me, helping me make this juice. She was so excited, and yeah, it came out really nice, very delicious. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Let me know if you tried these ingredients together to make your juicing, and yeah, share some juicing recipe with me in the comment section, as this year I'm really dedicated to prepare my own juice at home. Okay, enjoy the video guys.